Question 24. Bill works for a computer service centre. The table below, the table shows some information about the length of time, t minutes, of the phone calls Bill had. So you got time, t in minutes, number of calls, so there were 12 calls between 0 and 10 minutes, 15 calls between 10 and 15, 13 between 15 and 20, and so on. On the grid, draw a histogram to show this information. Now a lot of people see this question and think, right, easy one, sorted, I can do graphs. I can do bar charts, but be careful, it is a histogram. Okay, so for a histogram we need frequency density. So we need to make another row of numbers, which is going to be our frequency density, which is frequency divided by class width. So on this one you got 12. The class width is 10 because it goes from 0 to 10. So you want to do 12 divided by 10, which is 1.2. For the next one you want 15 divided by, the class width is only 10 to 15 this time. That one was 0 to 10, this is 10 to 15. That's what makes it a histogram, because you can have bars of different lengths. So 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Here you've got 13 again divided by 5. So what I would do is 13 divided by 10, that's 1.3, and then double it, 2.6. Next one, 18. This time you got a width of 10, so 18 divided by 10, which is 1.8. And the last one, 3 divided by, well, this one goes from 30 all the way up to 45 minutes, so that's 15. So you want to do frequency, 3, divided by 15. How do you work out 3 divided by 15? Well, 3 over 15, 3 15ths, cancels down to 1/5, which is 0.2. Okay, so there are frequency densities, that's what we've got to put on. So it's 0 to 10, it's going to give 1.2. Well, we need a scale first. We'll start from 0. The largest is 3, so you could just go 1, 2, 3. That's probably the best thing to do. 1, 2, 3, and that would be 4, but we don't need it. Right, so between 0 and 10, that's 1.2. So because it goes 1, 2, 3, and in between each one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little squares. Every little square is 1 decimal place, 1 decimal point, 1/10. So it is going to be 1.2 there. So with a ruler, between 0 and 10, you got that. Next one along. Again, don't use 12, 15 and all them, you've got to use frequency density. 10 to 15, that's a smaller one, only 5 wide, and that goes up to 3. So there you go. Next one, 15 to 20 goes up to 2.6. So another small one, 2.6, there's 2.5, so it's there. Next one, 20 to 30 is 1.8. That's there. And the last one was 30 to 45, the widest one, only 3 calls, so the frequency density is 0.2, which 30 to 45, 0.1, 0.2, a really low one. There you go. That's a histogram.